Hello, welcome to Salesforce Auto Series. My name is Johnkunleajayi, and in this video, you will learn how to set up buckets on test feeds in report with an illustration. The illustration says, create a tabular report on account, display account name, type, rating, and billing state feeds in your report. Apply bucket to rating. Cold and warm should be equals to follow-up. Alt should be equals to ready to close. Remaining values should be equals to others. Then apply bucket to type feed also. Prospect should be equals to prospect. Customer direct and channel should be equals to customers. All partners and resellers should be equals to partners. Remaining values should be equals to others. Group the row by type bucket you are going to create and group the column by rating bucket you are going to create. Graphically display your report in stack bar chart and then stack by rating bucket. We are going to be solving all these right now. However, before we go on, please subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when we post more videos on Salesforce Auto Series. So let's quickly jump into our report right now. So just click new report. Remember, our object is account. So start report. Show all accounts. Show all time. Okay, so basically we have just only 4 feeds that we have been told to display: account name, billing state, type, and rating. So let's remove all those that we are not required to display. Okay, now that we have the 4 fields that we have been told that we should display, then we need to create a bucket for type. So click type here, the drop down arrow, say bucket this column. So the bucket name should be type bucket. Okay, type bucket. Then let's add buckets. The first one that we should add in type is prospects. Excuse me, prospect. Can just copy and paste. Prospects. Need to add other names, other buckets. Another bucket that we should create is customer. Then we should create another one, which is partners. Then any other values that are not in either prospect, customers, or partners should be go to others. Okay, now let's now go to in prospect or prospects should be moved to prospect. All customer direct and channel customer should be moved to customers. Okay, the remaining partners or reseller partners, all the partners should be moved to partners. Then any other one that is remaining should be moved to order. Okay, should be moved to order. All right, so basically that's what that's what we have been asked to do. Okay, so we have checked this. That's why we checked this, that all remaining values should be moved to orders. Okay, so we can say let's apply it. Now it has been applied. You can see that we have prospect, we have customers, we have partners, and we have orders. Okay, all right, so let's move on as we create another bucket. from rating, bucket this column. Let's say rating bucket, rating bucket. Okay, so we should create for rating, we should create follow-up. Everything in code and one should go to follow-up. So let's create it first, follow-up. Then we should create alt should be ready to close. Alt should be ready to close. Alt should be ready to close. Then the remaining values should go to orders. The remaining values should go to orders. All right, so we say alt should move to ready to close. Then warm or cold should move to follow up. So any account that is not rated, if an account is not rated, any of those account that is not rated, each and every one of them should be moved to orders. The remaining value should be moved to orders. All right, so we are done with this also. So we have created two. We have bucket type and bucket, rating bucket. We have type bucket and rating bucket. Okay, but in our illustration, we're told that we should group row by type bucket and we should group column by rating bucket. So let's do that. Group row by type bucket. And we should group column by rating bucket. So that requirement has been done also. So what we are left with right now is graphically display your report in stack bar chart. All right, so just say add chart. We have to use stack bar chart, which is this one. Okay, and then they said that we should stack by rating bucket. Should start by rating bucket. It's already on rating bucket. Okay, fantastic. So we can now click save and run. Let's call our report bucket report. Okay, save it. It's rendering. All right, our bucket is ready right now. Our bucket report is ready. Okay, so fantastic. We are ready here. So you can close the details. If you close details, you'll be able to see the chart very well. Okay, so here we go. This is our report right now. So I've been able to show you through the illustration how to create a tabular report on account, then display account, name, type, rating, and billing state feeds. So once we do that and you group row, okay, your tabular report becomes a summary report, and when you group column, it becomes a matrix report. So this report right now is no longer a tabular report, but a matrix report. All right, so thank you so much for your time today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when we post more videos on Salesforce how-to series. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.